Hello friends, myself Dr. S. C. Bhandarkar. Welcome to part 2 of acid rain. This part deals with harmful effects of acid rain. So let us discuss one by one. First is acid rain and trees. Acid rain damages the waxy outer coating that protects the leaves on the trees. This prevents the plant from taking in carbon dioxide to perform photosynthesis. This will ultimately result in the death of the plant. Next is acid rain and soil. Acid rain harms the soil that the trees are growing in by taking away most of the valuable nutrients. It can also dissolve toxic substances like aluminum and mercury. These elements are naturally present in some soils. Freeing these toxins can pollute water or poison for plants that absorb them. Then harmful effect of acid rain on water bodies. When acid rain passes through soil or fall directly into lake and streams, it can increase the acidity of water. This process is called acidification. In some acidified lake and stream, entire fish population have disappeared. Building material and architecture. When acid rain falls onto building made from limestone and sandstone, it reacts with mineral in the stone to form a powdery substance that can easily be washed away by rain. Famous buildings like the Taj Mahal in India, the Statue of Liberty in New York, etc., all been damaged by acid rain. Acid rain can also damage stained glass windows in churches, railway lines, and steel bridges. Architecture and artwork can be destroyed by acid rain. Next point is harmful effects of acid rain on roads. Acid rain causes road, highways, and bridges to corrode and becomes weaker. Next is acid rain and transportation. Acid rain causes metal to rust and corrode, which cause damaging in transportation. Acid rain damages the paint on cars and other modes of transportation and costs millions of dollars a year to restore transportation. Now, how does acid rain affect human? It causes problems such as asthma, dry cough, headache, nose, eye, and throat irritations. It can also damage and irritate your lungs. It can cause liver problem and give one diarrhea. It can also cause in the drying of skin and bacterial infection which could become deadly. Another direct effect is through the acid precipitation. The precipitation breaks up toxic metals which can age up into our water sources. Scientists have found a high concentration of mercury in some lakes, so eating fish in those lakes could be deadly. The mercury can be linked to brain damage among children with nerve disorders. Thank you for watching this video.